Hey everyone, Sean from Nichehacks here, covering all of your SEO, PPC, and CRO needs. In today's 2-Minute Tuesday video, we're talking about how to use your URLs to help your SEO. Now, it may be no surprise to you that there are millions of domains out there, but getting a good top-level domain like a .com or .org will be important for your SEO. These top-level domains are considered to be the most trusted, and avoiding a spammy TLD like .xyz is essentially one of the first steps to starting your SEO journey off on the right foot. This may seem kind of obvious, but it's an important distinction to consider. Making sure your URL structure is sound is one of the most beneficial things you can do with your site. By organizing your URL structure by category or topic and creating a sound hierarchy, you can effectively communicate to Google different keywords your website is targeting and how that content relates to each other across your site. This will help Google discover the overarching theme or niche your site is about, but also help the crawler distinguish the specific keywords that each page is targeting. This can help make sure the right pages are appearing for the right queries, and you can avoid keyword cannibalism if you do this correctly. Now, what about length? Many studies have shown that there's a correlation between shorter URLs and site rankings, but just a correlation. If you can creatively simmer down your URL slugs into something short, simple, most importantly clear, you're more likely to see better rankings in the SERPs. But again, this isn't more important than user experience and intent. But like I mentioned earlier, hierarchy is key. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks a bunch for watching. If you're interested in more Nichehacks tips and tricks, be sure to head over to our YouTube page, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks again.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you might like this video right here or this video right here. Check them out.